Hey guys, RAD Performance. So, I haven't really found much online for the shift ball removal. I'm trying to pull out the console. And allegedly, this button's supposed to come off if you hop under and pry it up. So we're going to see if that works. Okay. So it has a little key slot. And it has been removed. Right. Looks as if there's a C-clip in there. Gonna pull him out. Yep. Just popped him out with the pick. Okay, so after you remove that C-clip, I should have showed it to you guys, but I missed. I just pulled straight up on it and it comes right off. It doesn't look like it, but you pull a little persuasion, it just pops right off. Have a good one. Hope this helps someone.